Hi class, my name is Dr. Patricia Zapata and I will be your online instructor for the Introduction to Exceptional Learners at Concordia University. I will be teaching the online class, and I've made this class very simple and straightforward, as well as academically rigorous for you all in terms of being able to assess you guys with different techniques like quizzes and assignments and field experience. I would like you guys, if you have any questions, to be able to reach out to me at any time. You can always call me or text me. My information is here, available to you, where it says about your instructor. I have put a little bit about myself, but especially my email, my email and my phone number, which if you would like to, you can always reach out and text me. If you do decide to text me, please let me know that you're from Concordia. So here's my contact information for you guys, and then we go to weekly modules. And the way that I set up the weekly modules is that it's an 8-week class, so I have them broken down to each week, and these are the beginning dates and the due dates. So every module, which is a week 1, which would be module 1, and then week 2, which is module 2, and it goes on through the entire course of the semester, which is 8 weeks. Week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7, and then on to week 8. And within these folders, what I did was I made you all, bear with me as I scroll up fast, but it'll have the chapter readings, and then it'll have the video that you'll view, and then it'll have the threaded discussion, the assignment, and the quiz. So you can look at week 1 and click on it, and it'll have week 1, which is an overview of the week. You can click on that particular, it says the learning objectives and the assignments, where to find them, etc., etc., quiz 1, and the chapter reading for the week. If we go back, which is where you really want to be wondering what is due for that week, you have weekly assignments. Now this is the important folder because it's going to have everything that's going to be due for the week 1. Now I've also attached the PowerPoints for the book Kaufman and Kaufman. So if you would like the PowerPoints, they are available to you. When you click on assignments for week 1, you'll recognize that there is a discussion board. A discussion board is really a way that students can converse with each other. I know we're not able to be in class, we can't raise our hand, we can't see each other, but we can talk through what's called a threaded discussion. Now I've put the question here, and that it'll be based upon the videos that I have inserted into the module, as well as the question, and correlated to the text and the text readings for this week. And then you have an assignment here, and then at the end of the week you will take your quiz. So this is what is due for the first week of class: the discussion board, the learning module, for videos, the 2 videos you'll be watching, and then reading the chapters is very important as well. So remember to read your chapters. Those are outlined in the syllabus. You can find the syllabus here on the left side of the control panel where it says syllabus and course information. You can download that here. I've revised that as well, and you will find the information for the course right here. And it's the same thing as what's in Blackboard. It has the text that you'll be using. There's also a field experience as well with 3 different settings. I'll talk more about the field experience as we continue through the week for the first week of class. I know class hasn't started yet, but I wanted to give whoever wants a tour of the class ahead of time that opportunity. This is the class schedule, so here we have the same thing that's actually in Blackboard, and it's all lined out for each week and what is due for each week. This is the evaluation and grading component, and then you have the response time. I usually respond to emails within 24 hours. If you would like, you can always text me. Just put Concordia student, and I will be able to know who is sending me the text if I don't have you already in my phone. I don't mind that. Video discussions, this is also how will be graded for your video discussion in terms of posting, when you post your thread discussion. And I'll talk more about that a little bit later. So that is a quick rundown of the syllabi. But going back to our weekly modules, I also want to take you through not only week 1, but week 2, because I want to share with you, there'll be some things that I can see that you cannot. If you notice this icon here, it says the student preview. So when I click on this, this is actually going to show me what you guys can see, which is going to be different than what I can see. Because I have the option to edit, I'll be able to edit different things. But you guys should have the same things for week 1. But as we go through to, weekly modules, let me get there. So as we go on to the additional weeks, you may not see things that are posted. For example, week 3, you do not have, you have everything up and open. Excellent, very good. So you do have those things that you can still see. I was thinking you weren't able to see them, but that is good that you can still see those things. The last piece I want to bring to your attention is the chat with your peers. I've made this discussion forum especially for you guys, so that if you have questions about the class, you can always post them, and I'll be checking this discussion board. This is just a forum, and you can go here and create a question if you have a question about the class you want to ask somebody else. Now, if you have any line items that are specific to your work, or if you have a field experience that you're currently doing or currently in, let me know, because that will actually contribute to this portion of what you will be needing, which is field experience reflection paper. That is also described in the syllabus as well as in Blackboard, and I'll show you where that is. Everything will be submitted online, so you'll see the field experience reflection paper. It has the specifications of what is due, and then when you click on it, you're able to see the due date and the points that will be assigned to that, and then you can submit your paper, either written submission or you can upload it. So everything goes through Blackboard. Now, if you have any questions or concerns and you want to email me or text me, feel free to do so. I hope this video has been helpful. I will, in addition, be posting new videos and updated videos for you guys as I get questions and feedback, but I am looking forward to the first day of class. I'm looking forward to speaking and meeting with all of you guys. Another thing that I wanted to mention that's very important, I would not like you guys to be dropped from the class, so please make sure that you log in at least once a week up and through the 8 weeks, or else you will be dropped. So it's very important that week 1, you may be clicking around and doing some things, but make sure you do the threaded discussion and you log in, because if you do not log in, you will be dropped from the class. It is very important. Now, if you have any other questions or concerns that are specific to your situation, please feel free to contact me, email, phone, or text. Have a fabulous weekend, and I'll see you online on Monday.